Good morning and welcome back to 3G Video. Today we are on our way to Indy for day 3 of Hot Rod Power Tour. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright guys, well it is a humid one. This lens keeps fogging up. However, I did want to show you guys something. I got another sticker on the front. I got it on yesterday. You might have noticed it in the video. Just wanted to mention something about it. Also wanted to mention something about the fact that I am taking a lot more pictures than what you guys are seeing on these videos. So if you guys are on the power tour and you're seeing me around taking pictures, I promise there's more, and I will have a way for you guys to see those pictures. It'll be a little bit after power tour. We're going to get something set up. So stay tuned and listening. We will give you some information on that. And there is, again, a bigger project that I'm working on during power tour. So there will be a lot more footage on that project. So be looking forward to that as well. Anyway, today we got to get going because I'm running a little bit behind. I mean, I'm still leaving before they're leaving at the track and I'm a little bit ahead, but not as far as I was yesterday. So we need to go ahead and get going so we can get some good footage for you guys. So might also need to actually give Benny a bath. He's got all the bugs on him. So let's go ahead and get started. Got the bugs off of him, making him a little more presentable for a trip like this. Without further ado, let's hit the road. Okay guys, well, as you can probably tell, it started raining. I was out I made a quick little stop here in this little town. Wanted to get some video for you, but it started raining, so I'm gonna get back on the road, try to get out of some of this rain, hopefully. Just get some cruising, get some miles done. Great morning. The rain is actually keeping it really cool, which is nice. So we will just keep cruising and see what type of footage we can get. It's gonna be a little more difficult with the rain, but that's okay. Alright guys, well I had an idea of stopping and taking some pictures in the rain. That was kind of cool, a little different, just because we don't get rain every day. So get rain and make the best of it, get some cool pictures. I'm going to get back on the road, get some more miles under me, and get on to India. Hey guys, I found a spot on the side of the road, nice enough. I did have a cop stop behind me and ask if I was okay. He was a very nice gentleman, but I've been getting some photos here. It stopped raining, so that's kind of nice. Got the lid up if it does start raining, but been sitting here taking some pictures down the road, kind of getting that feel of just being out in the country. You can just stop and sit here and watch cars for hours, and it's just great. So probably gonna hit the road here pretty soon. See, everybody just waves at each other. It's great. It's just a lot of fun. So let's keep rolling. Seems like it was spread out a lot today, like all the cars and everything. But whenever we went on the route thing, it looks like there was a mix-up with the written route compared to the Google Maps route that they put out. So we're thinking that there's people going both directions, so there's a little bit less on this route. However, this route is taking us to Indy, so that's good. And we're on the written one that's like the official route. But there's a storm. So it looks like it's clear at the track. I was looking at the radar. It's clear at the track, but very not clear in between here in the track. There's a very big cell in Indy. So it'll be interesting to go through Indy with it storming. Okay guys, we made it to Indy. That storm was fun to drive through. A lot of rain and a lot of traffic, so I'm by myself. I did not record as much through Indy as I would like. It's okay. They took us through the highways. We got through there. Storm is now over there, and it is moving away. Move away. And it's actually turning out to be a nice day. So we are going to go and see all the cars at the show a little more today than we did yesterday. I know yesterday's show period of the vlog was a little bit shorter, so today it's going to be a little bit different, a little bit flipped. Hope you guys enjoy that. If you guys want to know more about the wagon or want to see it anymore, let me know. I just don't want to bore you guys with it, so leave me a comment if you guys want to see more of the wagon, or if you like what we're doing now, just let me know what you think. Thank you guys for everything, by the way, that you guys have been supporting. The support from Power Tour has been really impressive. I really appreciate it. And anyway, we have a lot of cars to look at, and we have some people that are going to be showing up that I get to hang out with today, so you guys might get to see some of them. So let's go ahead and have some fun. Okay guys, well, my company has arrived. My mom and dad decided to come out. We were close to home for this venue, so they're here. They're actually getting ready to leave because we just walked around a little bit. They're getting a little tired, but that's understandable because it is a lot of walking.
Yes, it is.
Especially at this venue. It is, you have to walk all the way around the track to get and then back. So, yes, there's a lot of walking to see everything, but I'm glad that they got to come out and see everything, get to experience it. Mom had never seen anything like this before.
I haven't. So it's been a good experience.
Yeah, so and they're gonna go head on home, but we're still here. Power Tour 2021. We're gonna keep going. Okay guys, that is it for day 3 of Hot Rod Power Tour. Guys are starting to clear out. The sun came out, which is good for cameras, kind of. Not good for the heat because it got very, very warm. I am slightly sweaty. However, it was a great day overall. Had a good drive, got through the rain, got to meet some more wonderful people. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. See you tomorrow.